Delta Foundation was the economic development arm of the civil rights movement of the 60s. And during that time, if you got involved in voter registration or any other kind of civic activity, you lost your job. So the Delta Foundation was organized for the express purpose of creating employment opportunities for displaced farm workers. Our business is primarily Defense Department and Defense Department related. We work for a lot of private companies that are contractors with the Defense Department. They subcontract work to us. We build electromagnetic components primarily. That includes pressure switches. We have an arm and solenoid switch, and we do tubing.
We are a build-to-print manufacturer, what used to be called a job shop. That's different than a normal assembly line, because on a normal assembly line you're working one product, two products, three products. With a build-to-print manufacturing facility, what we build may change from week to week. The biggest thing that we have going for us here is systems. Our systems of operation. Our quality manual is very specific. As I'm walking through the plant the first time and they're saying, oh, and this person's been here 35 years, and this person's been here 44 years, and this person's been here 47 years. They got to retire next year. They've been here too long. I mean, they can't stay here any longer. And I'm like, you don't see that anymore.
What that means to us, one, is that we have a chance to survive. That's number one. Number two, it speaks volumes because our workforce is primarily local people from this area that we trained. Over the course of time, we trained most of the people who work here. This was the first manufacturing job they had, and they've been here pretty much throughout the time. This plant, we got way too much vacant space. We have the capacity. We could put 150 people to work with no problem.
We want to do business with other businesses in our area to foster those relationships that keep us alive for the next 40 years and successful for the next 40 years.